Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to see how to sculpt the vellum cloth by using the models. And first we'll take a geometry node and go inside. And now I will take an file node. So just if you want to browse any FBX or OBJ file, just we need to take an file node. So here, if you go to the geometry file and you can browse the model. So just I will go to the location. So this is a model I'm going to use for this cloth simulation. So select this and just accept. So now the model is very big. So what we need to do is just we need to take an math size node. So for this file, I will take an math size. So select this. And in the math size, you can see if you go down, you can see there is an option like scale to fit. So just I will enable this scale to fit. And also just we will rotate this model. So just in order to rotate, I will take an transform node. So select this, just I will rotate. So just I will rotate this face towards the up direction, like Y direction. So here I can give the value for the rotation in the X like 90. So like 180 and 180, so that it will exactly rotate towards the Y direction. And now what the thing is, just finally we need to create a null node. So this null node we will use for the collision purpose. So just we will select this and give the name like head. And we will go back. So for this geometry, you can give the name like head model or something. And now we will take another geometry node for the cloth. So select this. So let's say we'll name it as cloth. And make sure you have to save the file before doing this cloth simulation. And now we'll go inside. So for cloth simulation, I will take an planar patch node. So select this. So just we will increase the size of this planar patch. So we can give the value to like 3 by 3. And also just in the build plane, I will select it to like XZ plane. So just, and also just I will move it towards the up direction, and also I will move the model. So select this. If you go inside, so select this. So just I will move the model to the up direction. That's fine. And also I will move the plane. So if you go to this planar patch, so for this you can take and transform node. So we can take and transform node. So select this. And just I will select this thing and we'll place exactly on the top of this head here. Okay, so that's fine. Now what the thing is, like if you enable this transform, so it is going. Now what the thing is, this model has to be act like in collision. So what we need to do is we need to select the node called object match. So what it will do is just it will browse, we can browse the model which we have created in this head model here. So just if you select this object match and we go to the object and select this null node. So this is a null node. This is a main model which you are going to use. So now this will act like a collision object after creating the cloth simulation. So just we'll create an vellum cloth. So connect it to here. And after vellum cloth, we'll take a node called vellum solver. So select this. So connect here. And now these 3 inputs has to be connected to this cloth. Okay, so Control S. And also we will create the ground plane for the collision. So I will take an grid node. So select this. So this grid plane will act like a collision, and also this object also will act like a collision. So now we need to merge these both colliders. So we'll take a merge node. So just I will connect this and connect here. So now these 2 colliders has to be connected to this vellum cloth of this 3rd input. So connect here. And now we will see this. So just click on this play. So click on this play. So nothing is happening. Just we need to enable this vellum solver. So we got this. So just once again, I will click on this play. So we got this thing. I think we need to increase the size of this cloth here. So just like if you go to this, just I will give the value to like 4 by 4 or something. That's fine. Now what the thing is, say if I click on this play, still we are not getting the exact shape of this model here. So we need to increase the resolution of this model, means like the planar patch here. So what I will do is just before that I will save this and I will go to the planar patch. So here you can see there is an option like edge length. So here I can give like 0.02 or something. So just I will give this so that it will increase the resolution of this planar patch. So it will take time. It depends on your system configuration. So now it has been increased the resolution of this plane. So just we will click on C and we got this simulation. So if you go down, see now we are getting nice shape of this model. And if you want, you can increase the distance of this collider. So if you go to this grid here, and now if you want to move in the y-axis, you can select this grid. So just you can move it towards the up direction little bit. And also now suppose if you want to increase more stretch or bend for this cloth, we can select this vellum cloth here. And if you come down, so here you can see there is an option like stress. So here you can decrease the stiffness. And also here we can give the value to like the maximum. So let it be. And also if you come down here, you can see there is an option like bend. So I will give the maximum bend so that you'll get the exact shape of the model. And let's say we will decrease the stiffness, so 0.5 or something. Now we will see this. So click on this play. So see now we got this nice shape. So now we got these wrinkles around this cloth. So it depends, means like you have to play with your values. And now we got this shape here. So if you want more wrinkles, just you need to play with these values, or else just you need to make a more time for the simulation so that we'll get more wrinkles for this cloth here. Okay, so we got this nice foldings, and if you see from the top view, it is looking nice. And just I will go back now once. So just I will disable this head model, and now say we got this nice. So if you apply some sort of material, so it will look good. And also if you place some lighting, so it will be nice for this thing here. So just we'll play here. And so we got this thing here. And if you want, you can go to the top view here. So just if I go to this perspective and you can go to like top view. So now we got this nice shape over here. So in this way, we can create this kind of simulation. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.